Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. First of all you have to do is restart your computer, go to Start Settings and click on the power button and click on Restart. If this method doesn't work for you, all you can do is press the Windows icon on your keyboard and type CMD, right click on CMD and click on Run Command Prompt as Administrator. Your command prompt will open and you have to type this on your command prompt. After that, all you have to do is press enter, and after doing that all you have to do is restart your computer once again. If this doesn't work for you, you can also try typing ipconfig/flush DNS on your command prompt and hit enter. It will flush your DNS resolver cache. Or you can also try updating your network adapters. To update your network adapters, all you have to do is press the Windows icon and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager will open. From here you have to find network adapters and you have to right click and select Scan for hardware changes. The Windows will automatically scan for any hardware changes and download the latest drivers for your network adapters. Or you can also expand the network adapter tab and right click on any adapter that you want to update and click on Update Driver. A new window will open. From here you have to select Search automatically for drivers and Windows will automatically download the latest drivers for that adapter. If this also doesn't work for you, you can also try turning off your antivirus. All you have to do is click on the Windows button on your keyboard and type Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, a new page will open. You have to scroll down a bit and click on Manage Settings. And from here you have to turn off real-time protection from toggle on to turn off. And you have to make sure you just turn off your protection temporarily, and after your problem has been fixed you can turn on these settings once again. If all of the methods fail for you, then all you can do is try contacting your ISP support team. They will surely help you. And that's how you can fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.